Hi there, this is Ahmad. I hope you are all doing well, and today is the day we will discuss how to make the boring still photos to the super cool for your Instagram poster or the FB cover shot. So here we are in the magical world of Photoshop. So first of all, press Ctrl or Command J to make the duplicate layer of the background layer for your backup. Go to the filter, blur, and then radial blur right over there, and now set the amount around 15 to 20%. I'm going with the 15%. We just don't want to add the spin. Select the zoom, quality at the best, and just hit OK. It takes some time, and that's it. Now I just don't want to add all this effect on every part of the image. Now I'm going to select the mask icon, take a brush, make sure the foreground color is black, press X on the keyboard to toggle it, make the brush bigger, and softness is at the 100%. I mean hardness should be at the 0 and the softness is at the 100%, and just tap once where you don't want to add the effect, just like this. If you want to add some special effect, go to the color lookup. Now select something like just like this, the crispy winter look, and I mean that's really great. You can always decrease the fill if you want to, if you think the effect is too much, just like this. And for this we can also decrease the fill. We just don't want to decrease the fill in that area. It wouldn't look right. So this is the before and this is the after. I hope this explanation helps you. If it does, do me a favor. Like this video, comment below if you have any question, and also suggest me which tutorial I should cover in my next video. So until then, think creative.